Okay, bye.
Together. So am I supposed to swim in this freezing cold water to get to it?
I guess so. But I don't see anybody.
Hey everybody, where's the party at, man? Am I the party now?
I can't get on there.
It's my ship, not yours.
I wonder if we missed the party.
If we did, we get this boat. How much of a loss is that?
Sweet.
Yeah.
We can just take it out for a stroll.
This thing gets up and goes.
Yeah, it does.
Sweetheart, look at me.
I'm looking at you.
No, you're not. You're looking behind
Yes,
me.
I am. I'm looking at you.
Uh-oh, we're about to crash.
Oh
No, I'm
no.
just kidding. So, this is where you jump off. Good luck swimming.
Alright.
This is a test. See you later. She's on top of the world. You got extremely good balance, sweetheart.
Thank you.
There's even a diving board in the back.
There is?
I see it. Oh. Now we're not reckless. This makes sense.
Whoa. I fell out.
See you later.
Oh shoot. Oh
Where
shoot.
you at?
Don't run over at me. I'm right here.
There's no
I'm
shit
good.
handle. Hold on next time.
I'm good. It's because I put my arms down.
Alright, we're going for the jump.
Wait.
See what happens.
I bet I. Oh, we're on the wrong side
Oh,
of it.
shit. Sorry.
Oh,
Oh, awesome.
shoot. That was really fun. I would love to do that again. Oh, don't run over me.
I'm not. I'm trying to get you to the back.
Cool. I'm here.
Big jump.
Oh, shit.
I slammed on the brakes so you fall in the water so you don't get hurt.
That was so much fun.
It looked like it. Do you think you're capable of doing that? Hitting the jump, throwing in and brakes on midair?
I don't know.
I like the sound of your confidence. We can almost work off of it.
Almost.
Well, I just can't say yes because you haven't proven yourself.
I know.
Nope, you get over here. It's my turn to jump. That's why I was asking if you're capable of doing it. T-birded it up. Let's go.
Okay.
Way away. Whee! That was some good distance.
Yeah, it was.
That was awesome.
Oh, there's another jump over there.
Yeah, that was awesome.
Did you do that one in first person?
No, I did not.
Oh.
Oopsie poopsies.
Isn't it fun though?
It is.
Hey, bitch.
Oh, me?
Oh, shoot.
I can swim in a little bit, but I can't swim in the deep end.